Have you ever found yourself in a situation where your bank account details needed to change? Maybe you switched banks, or perhaps you simply need to update your information. If you're an OnPay user, you might be wondering how to make this change. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of updating your bank account details on OnPay. OnPay is a popular platform used for various financial transactions, including payments, transfers, and more. Having accurate bank account information is crucial for ensuring smooth and hassle-free operations. So, without further ado, let's dive into the tutorial. Step 1. Access your OnPay account. The first step is to log into your OnPay account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the OnPay website. Enter your login credentials, username or email address and password, and click on the Login button. Step 2. Locate the Profile or Settings section. Once you're logged in, look for the Profile, Settings, or similar section. This is typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Find the Bank Account Information section. Within the Profile or Settings section, you should find an option related to bank account information. It might be labeled as Bank Accounts, Payment Methods, or something similar. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. View and edit existing bank accounts. You'll likely see a list of your currently linked bank accounts. If you have multiple accounts, select the one you want to update. Look for an Edit or Modify button associated with the account. Step 5. Enter new bank account details. Click on the Edit button to open a form where you can enter your new bank account information. This typically includes the following fields: bank name, account number, account type, savings or checking, bank code, if applicable. Step 6. Verify and save changes. Double-check all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied, click on the Save or Update button to confirm your changes. Additional tips. Security. Always prioritize security when updating your bank account information. Avoid sharing sensitive details with anyone you don't know or trust. Confirmation. OnPay might send you a confirmation email or SMS to verify the changes you've made. Follow the instructions provided in the message to complete the process. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues during the process, refer to OnPay's Help Center or contact their customer support for assistance. Updating your bank account details on OnPay is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following the guidelines outlined in this video, you can ensure that your account information is always up to date and that your transactions are processed smoothly. Have you successfully updated your bank account information on OnPay? Share your experience in the comments below. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or contact OnPay's customer support. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.